Artificial intelligence is transforming our world. From healthcare to finance, education to warfare. But with great power comes great responsibility. As machines grow smarter, so do the ethical challenges they bring. Today, we'll dive deep into the moral landscape of AI, examining real-world dilemmas, asking tough questions, and uncovering the consequences of unchecked innovation. Welcome to AI Ethics, navigating the moral landscape of artificial intelligence. AI ethics is the field of study that evaluates the moral implications of AI technologies. It asks, are these systems fair? Do they respect our rights? Who is accountable when things go wrong? Quote, this isn't just academic theory. These questions directly affect the algorithms that filter your news, score your credit, or even decide who gets hired. Let's start with bias. AI systems are only as good as the data we train them on. If the data reflects human prejudices, guess what? The AI will, too. In 2018, an AI recruiting tool used by a major tech company was found to be biased against female candidates. Why? It had trained on resumes submitted over a decade, mostly by men. Bias in AI can reinforce discrimination, deepen inequality, and lead to unjust outcomes. And it often hides behind a facade of objectivity. Bias isn't always malicious. Sometimes, it's invisible, baked into historical data, unnoticed until harm is done. Next up, privacy. AI thrives on data. Your data, every photo you post, every voice command you give, every GPS ping is potential fuel for AI models. Facial recognition is already used by law enforcement in several countries. But who owns your faceprint? What happens if it's misused or stolen? Quote, we're entering a world where surveillance isn't just constant, it's intelligent, and that changes the game. In 2019, a startup named Clearview AI scraped billions of online images to build a facial recognition tool. Without consent, law enforcement agencies quietly began using it. What happens when AI systems make life and death decisions? Autonomous weapons, self-driving cars, AI judges. In 2016, a Tesla on autopilot failed to detect a truck and caused a fatal crash. Who was responsible? The driver, the manufacturer, or the AI? Quote, as machines gain autonomy, traditional concepts of liability, responsibility, and intent are being rewritten. Imagine an AI drone makes a targeting mistake in warfare. Is it a war crime? If no human pulled the trigger, is anyone guilty? Quote, let's talk about the ethics of creating intelligence itself. Should we build machines that feel emotions? That mimic consciousness? That can deceive? Quote, deepfakes, AI-generated videos that look real, pose huge ethical questions, from political propaganda to fake news. The implications are staggering. Just because we can build something, does it mean we should? Quote, so what can we do? Ethics isn't about stopping AI. It's about guiding it. We need transparency in algorithms, strict data privacy laws, and AI literacy for all. We need diverse voices in development, not just Silicon Valley elites. Most importantly, we need to ask questions before we build, not after the damage is done. The future of AI isn't written in code. It's written in values, and those values start with us. Thanks for watching. If this video got you thinking, like, share, and comment below. What do you think is the biggest ethical risk of AI?